welcome to CW's Cafe today. I am so excited to come to you today to talk about a new segment that I'm going to be doing called Cooking with Aunt Carol. And what I want to be able to do in this segment is to post recipes and shopping lists and cook with my family. I have lots of nieces and nephews, sisters, brothers, cousins, and they all know that I love to cook and had made a request that I do some cooking videos. So I am going to start with my new segment, Cooking with Aunt Carol, and what I would like to do is to be able to post a recipe, post the shopping list so that the family can go out and buy the ingredients, and then I will host a Zoom meeting and we will cook together. Well, today, to start this segment, I want to talk about carrots. And this was a conversation that my niece Krissy brought up a couple of months ago in a thread on Facebook, and she was talking about how she didn't like plain boiled carrots. And when I chimed in on the conversation, I said that I have a wonderful recipe to do with carrots where they would not be boring anymore. And she replied and said, Aunt Carol, if you fix carrots the way you say you fix them, I would eat them. Well, Krissy, this shout out is definitely for you. I am going to fix roasted carrots, and the name of this recipe is going to be Krissy's Roasted Carrots. And what I'm going to do today is to show you how I fix the roasted carrots so that you can start liking carrots as a side dish and put them into any meal you would like to combine them as a side dish. So let's get started with Krissy's roasted carrots. Okay, so I have some carrots here. I like to buy my carrots sometimes loose, and one of the grocery stores that usually carries them loose, and I'm going to say it, it's Whole Foods. And so I like to buy my carrots loose. The bigger and the more uglier the carrots are, they are the best carrots for roasting. But if you do not have a Whole Foods in where you can purchase the carrots loose, then you can go to your grocery store and buy them in the bag. Just look for carrots that are just nice and thick in size that you're going to be able to get nice roasted carrot cubes from. So what we want to do is, once you get your carrots home, if you're not going to cook them right away, then what I suggest that you do is you wash them and then place them into a Ziploc bag, and then wrap paper towels around them to protect them from the condensation that you're going to get in the refrigerator. And when you're ready to cook them, pull them out. So what we're going to do first is tell you what you're going to need to fix these roasted carrots. Okay, we're going to need a good knife. And if you do not have a good chopping knife, pick one up. You can go to Bed Bath & Beyond, anywhere that have a nice knife set. Get yourself a knife set it up into your kitchen, and handle it with care. Your knives will be very good to you if you do that. The next thing that you're going to need is a vegetable peeler. They're pretty reasonable. Sometimes you'll find them right in your grocery store in the aisle where they have kitchen gadgets. By now you should know that Aunt Carol loves kitchen gadgets, and I'm forever going out trying to find the best kitchen gadgets. Some of them work and some of them don't work, and I just will throw them in the drawer and then see if I can find use for them, or end up giving them away as stocking stuffers. So if you get a kitchen gadget from Aunt Carol, you might know that she's tried it and it didn't meet her requirements in her kitchen, and now you have it to decide. So what we want to do here is take our carrot, and we want to begin to slice the outer core of the carrot just to get off the outer skin. Like so. That's what you want to do. And another good practice is when you have garbage to keep from going to your trash can every time, is that you get yourself a bowl that you can put your scraps in all at one time, and then once you're ready to empty everything that you need to empty, you can do so. So hold on, let me go grab my garbage bowl and I'll be right back. Okay, I have a small bowl here, and this is going to be my garbage bowl, so I'm going to put my scraps in this bowl. So the idea is to basically, again, remove the outer skin of the carrot and take off the top. The bottoms, you just want to take off just a little bit of it. And then what you want to do is to make nice, thick cuts for roasting, like so. Here we have nice thick cuts here. And let me just grab a bowl for that. We'll put those in the bowl here as we do this. So again, all right. And so these parts, this part right here is kind of small, so I'm not going to use that, because what I want is nice, thick slices that are going to roast evenly. All right, so I'm going to continue peeling these carrots and getting them chopped up and put them into the bowl. And once I'm done, we're going to come back and go to step 2 on how to fix Aunt Carol's roasted carrots, which are now renamed Krissy's roasted carrots.